Hello and welcome to the Healthy Lifestyle Quiz. The purpose of this quiz is twofold. Number one, we get to determine, is your current lifestyle truly healthy, or could we use a little cleanup? If it's the latter, then the second objective is to find out where are the holes in your boat, so to speak. The holes in your boat are what have been keeping you from getting to where you want to go. Think about this analogy. You're rowing and you're rowing and you're rowing, but your boat is not going anywhere and could possibly even be sinking because there are holes in your boat that are causing water to leak in and prevent you from moving forward. It's similar to you exercising really hard every day, but you've completely neglected your nutrition. The nutrition, therefore, is a hole in your boat that's preventing you from losing weight and becoming healthier. Chronic stress, lack of hydration, the wrong exercise, and poor sleep habits can also be holes in your boat. Put together with our nutrition, these are the 5 main lifestyle factors that determine how we look, how we feel, and how we perform, outside of our genetics and any other medication we may be taking. The questions in this quiz all circle around these 5 lifestyle factors and really get to the root of how you're living your life and how you've been treating your body. Quick pro tip, there may be a question or two that have some answers that kind of sort of describe you, but none that fit you 100% perfectly. I promise you, there is a reason for this. I designed this quiz with all of this in mind, so just be sure to answer all the questions as close as possible to your truth, and I promise that it will all work out in your best favor. Now, once you get your score, definitely watch the next video that pops up at the end because it will aid you in deciphering what your score means. Then I'll let you know my recommendations for your next steps so you can properly plug up those holes in your boat and get moving swiftly, safely, and effectively to your destination, which of course is creating the healthy body and the healthy lifestyle that you've always wanted. Okay, enjoy taking this quiz and I'll see you in the next video.